Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Black, which is the most popular Python code formatter. We'll first create a Python project folder, then set up a virtual environment, install Black, and finally verify its installation. So let's begin. First, we are going to make sure that Python and pip are correctly installed in your system. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon. Then type CMD in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, click on it. When the command prompt opens, you are going to type Python space hyphen hyphen version, hit enter, and then type pip space hyphen hyphen version, hit enter again. If you don't see Python or pip here, then don't worry. I have already made separate videos on installing Python 3.14 and pip on Windows 11. Check the links in the description box to those videos and come back once that's done. But if the versions of Python and pip appear after running these commands like they do here, you are good to go. Let's now create a Python project folder. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So using the mkdir command, we are going to create this folder. Let's call it black_project. Hit enter. You can see black_project folder has been created on my desktop. Let's go inside it using the cd command. All our project files in the virtual environment will live inside this folder. Now let's create a virtual environment inside this project folder. The command to create a Python virtual environment is really simple. It is Python space hyphen venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it black_venv. Hit enter. If this command doesn't throw any errors, that means virtual environment is successfully created. There you go. No error. Let's run the dir command to see if the virtual environment has been created. You can see black_venv appears over here. This proves that our virtual environment is successfully created. Let's now activate it. So we are going to type black_venv. That's the name of the virtual environment. /scripts with capital S /activate. Hit enter and you can see the virtual environment has become active. Now let's install Black. The command is going to be pip install black. Hit enter. And the installation has begun. Awesome. The installation is successful. Now let's verify if Black is working. So we are going to create a sample.py file and we are going to open it in Notepad. There you go. The file is open. Here we are going to write a simple Python code that will not be formatted. So we are going to write def add. That's a function that is going to accept two parameters a and b. After this we are going to write colon and then we are going to write return a plus b. Simple function with its body, but it's not formatted. Now we are going to simply save this sample.py file and we are going to go back to the command prompt. Here we are going to use Black. So we'll write black sample.py and hit enter. Alright, it says reformatted sample.py, all done, one file reformatted. So Black reformats the file automatically, no configuration required. Let's reopen sample.py. There you go. The file has been reformatted. This proves that we have successfully installed Black in the newly created virtual environment. Now let's go back to the command prompt and deactivate the virtual environment because that's very good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Black in Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.